So in this final video, and again, this is just the completed version here, what I want to happen is basically that I want it to look here and say if it has no birthday, returns no birthday. But that if it does have a birthday, that actually just returns the date and the month of the birthday. You don't need the year, but just the date and the month. And I'm using that, I'm going to use that with the text function up here. Okay, so let's see what this looks like in practice. So this time I'm just going to use my, straightforward if function. If this is equal to no birthday, I'm going to put in no birthday, quotation marks on it. However, if it does have a birthday, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say text of the birthday, comma, I'm just going to put in the months, okay, comma, and then ampersand to link them together, and text again of the birthday and the day. I click OK. Now, if you notice here, when I look here, I can see that the July 24th is it has a space between them. So what I need to do here is I need to go back in here and just put in and, quotation marks, space, quotation marks. And now that looks a bit tidier. And then click OK. Right. Now you can see there straight away, I've got my no birthday. So I'm going to use my format painter to apply my conditional formatting. Click here, home, format painter, just so it's all the way down. Okay. And then what I want to happen is that if this says has birthday, basically I want to kind of take on a particular format. So again, I'm going to use conditional formatting for this one as well. Click here. Now you need to start here, Control Shift arrow down, conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. This time I'm going to go down to new rule and use a formula. And what I want to say basically is that if the cell beside it, okay, if you notice here I just change it so it now reads $D2 equals has birthday. I then want to apply the format, maybe make it just a nice bright green, and then click OK. So see there straight away, now when I'm looking at it, I can kind of see, oh yeah, these people have the birthdays on that day. And of course, if I come up here and decide to change this, so let's say to change this for December, so I go 1/12/ let's say 2022 to the 31st of the 12th. Right. Now you can see that when I look down through it, only one person has a birthday, and that's in December. Right. So I hope you found this useful. Okay, feel free to share with family and friends if you wish to. Okay, and mind yourself and take care. Bye.